Good evening, bargainers. And today we take a look at tech under 50. And what I have for you today is the JY018, a pocket drone. So let's go ahead and move on to the unboxing so we can test this bad boy out. So here we have the JY018. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. What you have here, instruction manual, cover case. Now we'll go ahead and remove the drone. Oh, nice and snug in there. And box of goodies. Inside the box, we have charging cable, extra propellers, and a little tiny screwdriver. Now, this drone right here with the propellers sticking out. The battery, just simply hit the side, give it a nice little tug. And this is pretty cool because the battery is encased. So that's a little bit better. There you go. Any USB, and of course you have the nice little indicator of when it's actually charging. So there's a drone right here, nice looking propeller. Remember, this drone is only $41, well $42, it's $41.99. So, but for the price tag, it looks really good. It looks really nice. You have a little scratches right here. I did manage to hit it a little bit. And you have your front-facing camera. The camera does swivel a little bit. So this camera right here is a 720 camera, and of course it's going to connect to your phone using Wi-Fi. So you have to actually connect it via Wi-Fi on your phone. It's kind of weird, but it actually works. So we're going to go ahead, plug her in. Nice little snap. Press the power button. And she's ready to go. Next you have to do is go ahead and connect it with your Wi-Fi on your phone. Now, in order for you to connect it, you have to first take out your camera and scan one of these QR codes depending on which device you have. You have Android and iOS. So let's go ahead. I've already downloaded the app. So let's go ahead and get things started. Once you download the app, it's free. Go to your settings. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, and you want to look for this. Once that's connected, you're good to go. So you go ahead and press play. Immediately get your image. Nice little image here. Not much, a little delay, slight delay, but nothing bad. Nothing too bad. I really don't want to press the button because I have an idea what's gonna happen. This thing's gonna take off. Let me go ahead and lower the settings a little bit. And once this thing takes off, here you have your button to record. You have the option to take pictures. Okay, we already took the picture. And then this is where you can find your media, the pictures that it took, and the video. Okay, right here you have the fixed height mode. So whatever height is at, it's gonna stay there. And you over here you have the gravity sense mode, and then hide interface mode. Of course, your settings. We're gonna go ahead and let this bad boy rip. So I'm trying to do this in a way. I'm gonna hold her down. Yeah, because this thing is ridiculously. So you have. Ridiculously powerful. It is. For only $42, this drone right here 100% respect. This drone right here is ridiculously powerful. And if you're not careful, I'm kind of afraid to fly this. If you're not careful, it will take off on you. So you can go ahead and press this button to actually start the drone. It'll lift up. Okay, and once you hit this is to stop it, but this is to gradually bring it down. And yeah, be very, very cautious. This drone will take off. So it's gonna be fun flying it because I'm not really good when it comes to flying drones. But hey, trial and error. All right, let's go ahead and fly the bad boy. So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this review on the JY018. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's fun, it's free. And who doesn't like free? I know I do.